Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to buy services on the PeoplePerHour application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Explore button down below, which is the first option, and then click on an offer that you are interested in. Here you can find every details about the offer, such as the description, required to start, available add-ons are also available, as well as the reviews. So if you want to purchase, tap on the Buy button down below. As you can see, it's being loaded now. So here you can check out the payment methods. You should add your card number, type in the name on your card, expiry date, CVV number, and then you can pay for the purchase by tapping on the Pay Now button. So that's how you can buy an offer and a service. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.